students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on bulk modulus. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయమని సలహా ఇవ్వండి. ఓకే, let us go to the today's session problems based on bulk modulus. Okay. Let us go to the first one. A spherical ball of volume 1000 centimeter cube is subjected to a pressure of 10 atmosphere. The change in volume is 10 to the power of minus 2 centimeter cube. If the ball is made up of iron, find its bulk modulus. So in this question, they are asking that to find bulk modulus of iron. It is iron ball. Now given volume 1000 centimeter cube, pressure 10 atmosphere. The change in volume is 10 to the power of minus 2 centimeter cube. Let us go to the solution. Now we will write given V is equals to, that is volume is equals to 1000 centimeter cube, and the pressure is equals to 10 atmosphere. That is equals to, we are converting 1 atmosphere into Pascal. 1 atm is equals to 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. This can be written as 1 into 10 to the power of 6 pascals. And minus delta V is equals to 10 to the power of minus 2 centimeter cube. So bulk modulus B is equal to question mark. So formula for bulk modulus B is equals to PV by minus delta V. Substituting all values in this, P is 1 into 10 to the power of 6 and V is equals to 1000 and minus delta V is 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 we are writing in a numerator, it becomes plus 2. So 1 into 10 to the power of 6 into 10 cube into 10 to the power of minus 2. So the total B is equals to bulk modulus is equals to 1 into 10 to the power of 11 Newton meter square. Newton per meter square or Newton meter to the power of minus 2. Okay, go to the next question. That is second question. A fractional change in volume of oil is 1% when a pressure of 2 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton per meter square is applied. Calculate compressibility. In this they given that fractional change in volume of oil is 1% and the pressure is 2 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton per meter square. You have to calculate compressibility. So let us go to the solution. Given change in volume minus delta V by V is equals to 1%. That can be written as 1 by 100. Next pressure they given P is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton per meter square. And the next compressibility C is equals to 1 by B. The reciprocal of bulk modulus gives compressibility, that is equals to minus delta V by PV. Substituting all values in this, we get 1 by 100 into 2 into 10 to the power of 7. That is equals to 1 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Here 10 square, here 10 to the power of 7, 10 to the power of 9. It becomes 10 to the power of minus 9. So 1 by 2 can be written as 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 9. At last we are writing solution. Compressibility C is equals to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter square Newton minus 1. This is final answer. Compressibility C is equals to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter square Newton to the power of minus 1. Next go to the third question. Determine the pressure required to reduce the given volume of water by 2%. Bulk modulus of water is 2.2 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square. Here in this question they are asking that find the pressure required to reduce given volume of water by 2%. The given bulk modulus of water is 2.2 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square. So let us go to the solution. Given minus delta V by V is equals to 2 by 100. Next, bulk modulus they given B is equals to 2.2 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square, and P is equals to question mark. So B is equals to PV by minus delta V. We are calculating pressure. P is equals to minus delta V by V into B. Substituting all values, 2 by 100 into 2.2 into 10 to the power of 9. After calculation here, 2 into 2.2 can be written as 22 by 10, and 22 into 2 can be written as 44. Here 44 into 10 to the power of 6, and P is equals to 4.4 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton per meter square. Okay, this is the final answer. Pressure required to reduce the given volume of water by 2%, then bulk modulus is 2.2 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square is 4.4 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton per meter square. Next question. Next we will go to the fourth question. When 200 ml of water is subjected to a pressure of 2 into 10 to the power of 6 pascals, the decrease in its volume is 0.2 milliliters. Find the compressibility of water. So in this question they given 200 ml of water, that is volume is equal to 200 ml, and pressure 2 into 10 to the power of 6 pascals, and decrease in its volume is 0.2 milliliters. You have to find out the compressibility of water. Let us go to the solution. Given volume is equals to 200 ml. So V is equals to 200 ml, and pressure P is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 6 pascals, and decrease in volume minus delta V is equals to 0.2 milliliters, and we have to calculate the compressibility. So compressibility is equal to question mark, and C is equal to 1 by B, that is reciprocal of bulk modulus, that is minus delta V by PV. So substituting all values in this, we get C is equals to minus delta V by PV. Minus delta V is equals to, value of minus delta V is 0.2 ml. So substituting all values, 0.2 by 2 into P value is 2 into 10 to the power of 6, and V is equals to 200. Here we are multiplying 0.2 by 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8, that is equals to, we are cancelling here 0.2, 0.1 ja, and next 2 ja. Here we are writing 1 by 20 into 10 to the power of minus 8, or we can write it as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Here we can write it as 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 9, and last we are writing the compressibility C is equals to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 10 Newton to the power of minus 1 and meter square. This is the compressibility of water. Okay, go to the next question, that is fifth question. A cubic ball is taken to a depth of 200 meters in a sea. The decrease in volume observed to be 0.1%. Find the bulk modulus of the ball. So in this question the given depth 200 meters and decrease in volume is observed 0.1%. We have to calculate bulk modulus of the ball. So let us go to the solution. H height is equals to 200 meters and minus delta V by V, they given 0.1, that is equals to 0.1%, that is equal to 0.1 by 100. So this can be written as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and bulk modulus is equal to question mark. We have to calculate pressure H rho G, that is equals to height 200 into density 1000 into G value 10. So by using this we are calculating P is equals to, we are getting 2 into 10 to the power of 6 pascals, and then we have to find out the bulk modulus. B is equals to formula PV by minus delta V. Substituting all values in this, P is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 6 and V is equals to V by minus delta V. So this can be written as 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 will become plus 3. So B is equals to 2 1 are 2, 10 to the power of 6, 10 cube, it becomes 10 to the power of 9. So therefore bulk modulus of the ball B is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter square. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, go to the next question. Sixth question. A material has Poisson's ratio 0.5. If a uniform rod of it suffers a longitudinal strain of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3, then the percentage increase in its volume is. So in this question the given Poisson's ratio is 0.5 and the longitudinal strain is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and you have to find the percentage increase in its volume. So let us go to the solution. Given Poisson's ratio is equals to 0.5 and delta L by L, longitudinal strain delta L by L is given 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and then we have to calculate percentage increase in its volume, delta V by V into 100 is equal to question mark, and then we are writing the formula delta V by V into 100 is equals to delta L by L into 1 minus 2 sigma of 100. So substituting all these values in this equation, we get 2 in delta L by value 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 and 1 minus 2 into sigma value 0.5 into 100. So here 0.5 becomes 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2, 0.5 nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancels, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0, 0 into anything is also equal to 0. So delta V by V, percentage increase in its volume, delta V by V into 100 is equal to 0 percentage. Okay. Next, go to the next question. That is seventh question. A material has normal density rho and bulk modulus B. The increase in the density of the material when it is subjected to an external pressure P from all sides is. So here we have to calculate the external pressure P from all sides. So in this question they given normal density rho and bulk modulus B. Increase in the density of the material when it is subjected to a external P from all sides. So let us go to the solution. B is equals to PV by minus delta V. So from this formula we can written as P is equals to B into delta V by V minus delta V by V, that is equals to P is equals to minus delta V by V can be written as delta rho by rho. So delta rho is equals to, we have to find out the increase in the density of the material. Delta rho is equals to P by taking cross multiplication P rho by B. So this is final answer. Increase in the density of material when it is subjected to an external pressure P from all sides is P rho by B. Okay. So this is today's session. Thanks for watching this video.